Hi guys, this is a quick Ollie's bargain outlet haul. Just want to show you a couple of things that I picked up over there. I have a huge Walmart clearance haul coming up. This, I really liked. They have these towels. They're so thick. They came in different colors. They have like aquas, and it says a bath sheet, but it's more like a really luxurious beach towel. And it's 100% cotton. It was $6. It says regularly $19.99, but it's so thick and really plush. I liked it a lot. It's huge. Let's see if it gives the dimensions on here. I have the dimensions, but it's huge. You can see that. Okay, so got one. I would probably have gotten more, but I had someone with me that was like, no, we have enough towels or whatever. And they had really nice, solid color, luxurious bath towels. So I picked this up, and then I found out, like, I don't know where they put my baking racks, so I needed new cooling racks, and these were $6.99 for a set of 3 with the legs, you know, they can stack. Got those. And then I have some sewing videos coming up where I'm going to show you how to make pouches and cosmetic bags using a placemat. And if you find these placemats that have, you know, a print on the outside and then they're lined with another fabric, they look really nice, and I'll show you how to turn them into really nice pouches and box cases. And to do that, I'll show you something else. Zippers. So you can buy zippers from, these are from Zipper Stop, and I'll put a link to them. You can get, I think there's 25 here for $14. So that's way less than you would pay in the store, and you get all these great colors. So like for this one, for instance, look how perfectly that goes. But I could even use a white on that. Could even use, what did I just see? Even use this color. So a nice selection of zippers, very economical, way less than you'd pay in the store for zippers. So I'm going to show you about making these bags maybe tomorrow. Okay, so I picked up for the placemats to make them, and only $1.49, plus I got a 15% off everything that I got at Ollie's because I had a coupon. So I've got 4 of those, and I actually thought I got 3, so I went back to get one more. So now I have 5. That's okay, because I can give them as gifts. Then I saw a YouTuber, I can't remember her name on it. She was using these quilted placemats, but she was using ones from Pioneer Woman, and they cost anywhere like $4.49 to $3.49. So when I saw these for 99 cents, they only had 3. These are by Better Homes and Gardens, but these I'm going to use to make that box cosmetic bag, and it's got like a Vera Bradley kind of a look, so I think it's going to look really nice with this inside and this on the outside, and we'll do that. And I've got 3, so I can make 3 of those kind of bags, and they were 99 cents. You cannot beat that. Okay, and then I saw this, and I knew the moment I saw it, without even looking at it, I said, that looks, you know, very, like a really nice piece. And I really liked it. It was the only one there. They had a bunch of the classic Christmas ones, but I wasn't looking into Christmas, so this is the only one they had that was, you know, regular style you could keep up all year. And then when I turned it around, it's a Hallmark art print. It has a regular retail price of $40, I believe it is. Let me see here. Yes, $39.95. So it just spoke to me, and as soon as I put it on my cart, this one man was like, I felt he was just going to rip it right off my cart. So I told my husband, watch that while I was getting something. But anyway, I thought it was really cute, and this was only $14.99. So I like this because my daughter loves to ride. We all like to ride bikes and to just keep pedaling. I just thought it was nice. I'm gonna put it up somewhere. It's a nice frame, it's matted nicely. So I got that. Okay, and then when I went back to get that one placemat, I found a few others. These were really nice. These were 99 cents. These were an indoor-outdoor, so they're going to make a really durable bag. They are lined green on the inside. They have this nice print on the outside. So I thought those would look nice. Got 2 of those. And then I saw these. Another nice, same kind, 99 cents. And has a taupe in the inside. So those will make a nice bag too. And you could use them for project bags for when you're knitting something like socks, or my daughter uses them all the time. So I'm going to make them. I'll show you how to make them. And you can, I mean, this is way cheaper than buying fabric, because you have a lined fabric, so you would essentially need 2 pieces. And for 99 cents or less than 99 cents, you cannot beat that. So it makes your projects, sometimes you try to do a sewing project or something and you go buy the materials and it ends up costing more than, buying something similar. So these are really nice fabrics, like I said. So I got another one of these. I'm going to definitely make my daughter a project bag out of that one. And then here was one that was lined both sides the same, but I thought it might be make a nice little something. And these, again, this was $1.49. This is like this one. The other ones that are the heavy duty are 99. And then I got these. I want to try these. Fresh and Simple Scrub, Scour and Polish Cloth. So they have a polishing side, very soft, and then they have this like non-stick scrubbing side. So I'm going to try those out. Okay. And I did get another one of these striped with the taupe. And then I got these, which I thought would make nice bags. They kind of have a geometric pattern on the front and a taupe on the back in a nice 100% cotton fabric. So these are all for sewing crafts, but take a look at that. And even in your regular store, if you don't have an Ollie's near you, look when placemats go on sale. Like I said, these were $1.49 and I got 15% off everything. So we've got that too, and those are really nice. So besides, I don't know, some stuff, because this was a couple of days ago I took this trip. My kids might got into some stuff. Let me see if there's anything else that I have beyond that from there. No, I think that's my Ollie's trip. Okay, but I got lots of clearance from Toys R Us. I have clearance from Babies R Us. So stay tuned for that.